In today's video, we are going to talk about how to earn money on YouTube. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. If you're wondering how to make money on YouTube, look no further than these 7 strategies on monetizing your channel and your creative work. Ad revenue is the most obvious way to make money on YouTube. But it's not the only way, or to be honest, the best way. YouTube is half the internet. That's 1.9 billion users logging in every month. But at the same time, 500 hours of video are uploaded to the site every minute. So you already know this video is not going to be about how easy it is to buy a Swiss watch with the ad revenue from your YouTube views. Though if you have millions views on your videos, you could probably at least rent one. Wait, don't. Here are 7 ways to earn from your YouTube channel, completing these step-by-step instructions. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Sell your own merch. Create sponsored content. Become an affiliate partner. Get your fans to pay you directly. Use crowdfunding. License your content to the media. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is how regular YouTubers get access to the special features on the platform. You don't need to be a partner to make money on YouTube. Just setting up an AdSense account and getting views is enough to handle that. But being a partner makes it a lot easier. YouTube partners have access to multiple income streams. Not just video ads, but YouTube Premium subscription fees and features that tap your loyal fans' wallets directly like Super Chat, channel membership, and the merchandise shelf. More on these later. Step 1. Start a YouTube channel. With your Google account, you are automatically set up with a personal YouTube account. But to use YouTube for your business, you will want to set up a brand account. Just go to your YouTube account page, click Create a Channel, and then enter a name for your brand account. You are in. Step 2. Make your channel successful enough that it meets the YouTube Partner Program requirements. To join the program, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. Step 3. Set up an AdSense account. Step 4. Explore your new monetization features. Each monetization channel has different eligibility requirements. Number 2. Sell your own merch. You're an entrepreneur first and video creator second, which means you probably already have a product and you are designing your YouTube marketing strategy to sell it. Either way, merchandise is a viable way to earn money from YouTube. Step 1. Imagine and design your product. Merchandise for your channel is meant to both represent and feed your audience's connection with you. That means your merch should be unique. Here is a pro tip for you. You might have more ideas for merch than you can possibly think. So start by dipping your toes in the water with 1 or 2 items. But make sure you engage your audience in the decision-making process. Poll them as to what they want, or build buzz by offering one-off products related to big subscriber count milestones. Step 2. Source or build your product. In most cases, you'll need a manufacturer, supplier, or a wholesaler to make and deliver your product. Some suppliers will deliver it to you, and some will spare you the headaches of inventory, shipping, and returns by handling it themselves. Step 3. Create your shop and landing page. You'll need a separate website to handle purchases. If you want to link it directly from your videos, and yes you do, refer to YouTube's list of approved merchandise sites. Step 4. Enable your YouTube Partner merchandise shelf. YouTube partners can also use the shelf feature to sell their channel's merchandise. If you're eligible, follow YouTube's instruction to enable it. Step 5. Promote your product in your videos. This is where your charm comes in. Wear or use your merch in your videos. Feature viewers who have bought and are using it. If we are on another platform, we might call this user-generated content or possibly solid gold. Number 3. Create sponsored content. You don't have to be on Instagram to be an influencer. The advantage of the hashtag SponCon strategy is that you don't have to give YouTube a cut of your earnings. You negotiate directly with the brand and they pay you directly. No wonder it's a popular way for YouTubers to make money. If you can offer brands a large and engaged audience and your content is relevant to their target market, they probably want to hear from you. Step 1. Find a brand to partner with. Quality is important when it comes to the name you work with. You probably already have a wish list of dream brands. Whether you are aiming for the stars or building yourself up grassroots style, make sure you perfect your brand pitch before you send it. Step 2. Make a deal. According to this recent study by influencer marketing platform Clear, YouTube videos are on average the most expensive type of sponsored content brands that can buy from influencers. Basically, YouTube influencers are able to charge more for their videos than they would for Instagram stories or Facebook posts, because video is just more expensive to produce. Step 3. Be transparent about your sponsored ad. Sponsored content is advertising. That means you need to make sure you are in step with Google's ad policies. The FTC US and ASA UK both have guidelines of which you should be aware too, if you are American or British. Number 4. Become an affiliate partner. If your YouTube audience is loyal and engaged, but not quite there yet headcount-wise, look for companies investing in affiliate marketing. YouTubers affiliated with businesses encourage their viewers to visit the brand's online store or specific product pages. They then get a percentage of sales made through their, you guessed it, affiliate links. In terms of setup and logistics, affiliate partnerships are similar to sponsored content deals. Number 5. Get your fans to pay you directly. This strategy of making money on YouTube includes a few different income streams, but they all have one thing in common. You have to make it easy for your fans to show their appreciation with their credit card. Step 1. Host live chats where people can use Super Chat. In early 2017, YouTube replaced their previous fan funding feature with Super Chat. This is a feature that is only available to YouTube partners while they live stream. Essentially, your viewers can make their comments more visible. They are highlighted and pinned for a set amount of time depending on how much they pay in the live chat stream. Step 2. Encourage your fans to become channel members. YouTube offers the ability to let your viewers pay you to become members of your channel. In exchange, they get custom images, badges, and access to members-only exclusive like live chats with you. Step 3. Encourage your fans to become YouTube Premium subscribers. This step is the last on our list for this strategy because it benefits your channel only indirectly. That said, when YouTube Premium members watch your channel, you get a cut of their subscription fee, and so does every other channel they watch. Number 6. Use crowdfunding. Soliciting donations online is now commonplace. Whether you're looking to build ongoing revenue from a pool of small monthly donations or looking to fund a personal channel-related project, crowdfunding is how many YouTubers make money. Step 1. Set up a crowdfunding account. YouTube has a list of approved crowdfunding sites to choose from. For recurring funding, Patreon is a top choice. Meanwhile, sites like GoFundMe or Kickstarter are best for one-off campaigns to get a new mic or new laptop or new spleen. Even household names like Walk of the Earth or Veronica Mars, okay, she's a fictional character, have used Patreon to fund their projects, be they music videos or feature-length films. Step 2. Promote your campaign in your videos. Detail your specific goals so that people know exactly what they can expect when you have succeeded. Also, offer exciting perks that stack as your fans choose how much they want to donate. Step 3. Go beyond YouTube. A successful campaign is a multiple platform affair. We have some advice on how to promote your YouTube channel and, by extension, your crowdfunding campaign everywhere else. Number 7. License your content to the media. When a video goes viral, every news outlet wants to get their hands on a copy in order to replay it for their audience. Fortunately, established media companies are well aware that they need to pay for what they use. And Viola, you got yourself another way to make money on YouTube. As a content creator, licensing your most successful work to the media can be as simple as making sure you're easy to find. Step 1. Keep your contact details updated on your About page. You never know when lightning will strike. Even if you don't have a business manager, set up a generic email account that you can point to for business inquiries. Step 2. Sign up to a video rights marketplace. Junkin Media is a great place to start. Even if you don't have a viral video like Chewbacca Mask Lady, media outlets often need timely footage to round out their reporting. So there you have the most efficient ways to earn more money from your YouTube channel more easily. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for more latest uploads. Share your opinion in the comment section below. If you want to see about particular topics, let us know about it so we can make it for you. We are here just for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time.